of Mahabharata has legendary characters and is a mystifying chronicles. This story revolves around the Panda, Draupadi and Kaurav. But we do not know about the other characters that also had a huge role. Here is the story of Aravan. It is from his lineage that the transgenders are said to have been born. That is why the transgenders or Hijras are also known as Aravanis. Aravan was the son of great Mahabharata warrior Arjun and his wife Ulupi, the Naga princess. Aravan also took part in the Kurukshetra war and sacrificed himself for a huge cause. A special sacrifice known as Kalapalli was made, which means sacrifice to the battlefield to ensure victory in the war of Pandav and Kaurav. In this ritual, the most valiant warrior must sacrifice his life in front of goddess Kali in order to ensure the victory of his side. And Aravan volunteered to sacrifice himself in the rituals. Aravan asked Krishna to grant him the 3 blessings, and Krishna granted him the blessings as follows. First blessing, blessing of heroic death on battlefield. Second blessing, to be able to see the entire 18-day war. Third blessing, this third blessing provides Aravan to be married before the sacrifice, entitling him to the right of cremation and funerary offerings. Bachelors had to be buried. But no woman wanted to marry a man who was about to die the next day. So Lord Krishna took his female form Mohini and married Aravan. He also slept with him whole night and the next day mourned for him as he became his widow. And after this, Krishna returned to his original masculine form for the duration of the war. That is why in South India there is a 18-day annual festival. There it is believed that all the Aravanis are married to Aravan. And hence, when the sacrifice is reenacted, the Aravanis become widows of Aravan and mourn his death.